Hello, champion students and family. Please join us on Thursday, September 24th from 5:30 to 7:15 p.m. for our Cesar Chavez High School virtual open house. The open house will start at 5:30 p.m. with a welcome presentation, which will be posted on our webpage, pxu.org/Chavez. At 6 o'clock, we will start our class rotation. Please use your student's login to join teams, and as you can see at the schedule, there will be 15-minute blocks for each period. At that time, each of our teachers will provide an insight on what is being taught and what are some of the rules, guidelines, and best practices of those classes. We hope that all of our students and families can join us on Thursday, September 24th. It's a great opportunity for us to get a better glimpse of what's happening in our classes and to really connect our families and our teachers during these really different times here at Cesar Chavez High School. We look forward to seeing you on Thursday night, September 24th, starting at 5:30 p.m.